Hi there, my name is Dr. Marissa May, and in this video, we're going to look at the composition of functions, but in a little bit different way. Normally, we see composition of function done with equations. We substitute in one function for x and the other one. In this problem, we're going to look at finding the composition of functions from a table. And so it's going to require a two-step approach. So look at what we're asked to find, g of f of 2. I want to start with f of 2. So I want to see, what does that mean in the table? That is really asking me, what is the y value for f when x is 2? So when x is 2, I want you to go there in the chart. Then you're going to go down to f of x, and that equals 1. That is the first step of the problem. F of 2 means, what is the y value on the f graph when x is 2? All right. Second part, now we take that value and we use the other function, g of 1. What does that mean? That is asking us, what is the y value on the g graph when x is 1? So you're going to go over to x in your chart. This time you're going to go down to g, and there's your answer of 0. I hope you like with working with these charts just as much as I do. It's going to take some practice because you have to train yourself to go over and down, but I think you're going to like it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. And as always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye for now.